Geez, there'll be a few good nights happening to us. Some of these tents in here.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
It's on the book, but still a mad adventures one. All made out of blue beer bottles and whatever other bottles they could find, I imagine. The fireplace. At least the roof's insulated. Dom's doing the deed. Signing our life away. No, you're alright. I just want to get in your way. There's that May sunset, babe. Look, babe. You shall not pass.
That's a doozy, that one.
You're right, babe.
I'm just saying for you too.
It's alright, you'll catch me. Yep. I've got my plumber's crack hanging out.
All behind you.
Feel like an ATM machine, you can swipe your card. Oh, lucky I had that on.
You're not the first and you won't be the last.
You're right for short. Crikey, in the shadows of the death below, we have a beer lid.
Snoring is usual.
Smoke over him. Oh.
What did you bump your head?
Yep. About the 10th time.
That's good. Oh yeah. That's a biggie too.
Yep. Hate to see Chippo come through here, eh? Oh,
See, watch it.
let's go.
There, a couple more in the back. That's alright, a little bit in the pocket also. You're out specking, it might help it manifest just that little bit easier. Same as always, to have a bit of gold with you. That's it. Good stuff, guys. Do have fun. Oh, bloody hell. Smart moves down there, that's for sure.
Cheated, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah, naturally, of course.
You want to bring the dancing shoes?
There's Julia Gillard. I'd say that's right.
Yeah. That's Kevin.
There's Johnny Howard.
Paul.
Tony.
Paul.
Hey. Hey.
Again. Oh, minions.
G'day legends, where are we? Sheepyard. Sheepyard pub out in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. Anyway, we'll give you a bit of a tour around and say fully functional mining site out here, so worth the drive. If you don't want to get your car dirty and it's a bit of a princess, leave it at home. Alright, here we go. Hey,
Hey.
there's enough of that.
Get out of the fucking way.
Oh, I should have brought the heavy pots in there. Mrs. is going to go bra shopping. Which one do you want, baby? Black. Black? Here.
Need a new one?
Yep, black one there.